Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A cerebellar exam is a comprehensive and specialized physical examination targeted specifically at the cerebellum, an integral brain region located at the posterior end. The cerebellum holds significant responsibilities in the body, especially in managing voluntary motor movements, maintaining balance, overseeing coordination, and facilitating motor learning. It's a powerhouse of the nervous system, the smooth operator that ensures our movements are fluid and precise and our posture remains steady. Patients presenting neurological signs of symptoms of cerebellar pathology, such as dizziness, loss of balance, or poor coordination, often undergo a cerebellar examination. Numerous conditions can lead to cerebellar dysfunction, ranging from vascular issues like strokes to space-occupying lesions, multiple sclerosis, and genetic conditions like Friedreich's ataxia. Health professionals use a cerebellar examination to diagnose such conditions, encompassing the analysis of gait, balance, and coordination. To use our free cerebellar exam, follow these steps. Download our cerebellar exam from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Before the initiation of the cerebellar exam, it is crucial to prepare the patient adequately. This stage involves thoroughly explaining the nature and purpose of the procedure to the patient and obtaining their informed consent, respecting their autonomy and right to participate actively in their care. Next, administer a series of tests specially designed to assess the integrity and function of the cerebellar system. Each test targets a unique aspect of cerebellar functioning, ensuring a comprehensive evaluation of the patient's neurological status. Once the tests are complete, healthcare professionals interpret the results. This critical stage involves analyzing the findings to identify signs of potential cerebellar dysfunction. It is the interpretive insights that inform the direction of subsequent patient care. Here is a sample of our cerebellar exam, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our cerebellar exam, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.